Hi there and welcome. Have you ever felt so stressed and overwhelmed that you can't focus? When anxious thoughts start spinning, I know how it feels. It's not easy to stay grounded when your worries take over. That's when a simple grounding exercise can really help to cope with stress and anxiety. This exercise brings you back to the present moment by engaging with your 5 senses. My name is Alexandra. I am an aspiring counselor and a graduate member of the British Psychological Society. Let's begin. Take a deep breath through your nose and exhale through your mouth. First, focus on 5 things you can see. Look around you and notice 5 distinct objects in your environment. It could be anything. Hold your sight on an object. Pay attention to the object's shape, color, lighting, and other details. Then move your sight to another object in the room. Just observe the 5 objects around you and remember to breathe. Now let's move to 4 things you can touch. Find 4 things you can physically touch right now. Notice the sensations. Is the object cold, warm, soft, hard, and so on? Remember to breathe. Next, focus on 3 things you can hear. Listen carefully to the sounds around you. Notice the details of the sounds. Loudness, softness, how distant they are. Remember to breathe. Now let's move on to 2 things you can smell. Find 2 things you can smell. Think about how you can describe these smells. Breathe freely. Finally, let's focus on 1 thing you can taste. If you have food to taste, put a piece in your mouth and acknowledge the taste. If not, focus on the current taste in your mouth. Bring all your attention to the thing you are tasting. Remember to breathe. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Notice how your body feels. You're present, grounded, and safe. This exercise helps you bring all your 5 senses to the present moment. You can use this exercise anytime you need. It takes very little time and brings grounding, clarity, and stress relief. You can download a free handout from the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Take care.